Good morning students. In this video we will discuss the second part of the lesson 4, the wheat is cheaper, part 2. So students, what we have discussed in the previous class, that the farmer's father also had the horse and he had a beautiful saddle also, but the horse got the sore on his back due to the torn saddle. And it was the month of June and there was a storm, so due to that the horse got a lot of dust into the sore, and with that dust some grains of wheat too also entered into that sore. When it rained, the grains of wheat began to sprout means began to germinate. So what a wonder, said the merchant. Merchant said, what a wonder. But he quickly added, it is quite possible grains of wheat sprout when they get a chance. Merchant said for a few seconds that what a wonder. But he quickly added some more words to his statement. Why? Because he knew that if he cast doubt on the story of the farmers, he would have to pay the 100 rupees. So he added that grains of wheat sprouted when they get a chance. So yes, they sprouted and grew. And then what a fine crop we had. My father had to hire 20 men to reap it. Then what the farmer added to this story, that the grains of wheat sprouted and also they grew very well. And they had to hire 20 men to reap it. They had to hire 20 men to reap the crops. I had done it myself a number of times. What farmer said? That I had also done it many times. Sometimes I used to hire even 40 men. What he said? That sometimes he used to hire even 40 men when there was a good crop. When he had to hire quite a good number of men for reaping. What he said? उसने क्या बोला कि कभी कभी मुझे भी बहुत सारे लोगों को हायर करना पड़ता है क्रॉप्स को रीप करने के लिए, अगर बहुत अच्छी क्रॉप्स हो तो, यानी बहुत अच्छी फसल हो तो. Yes, we had a very good crop and we reaped 40,000 kilos of wheat off the horse back. What farmer said? That they had a very good crop, बहुत अच्छी फसल हुई थी, और उन्होंने कितना वीट कट किया था उस फसल में से? 40,000 kilos. 40,000 kilos of wheat from the horse's back. Then the merchant replied, how lucky your father was. Farmer said, very lucky indeed. But your father, you know, was poor and starving those days. So he came to my father and begged him to give him 75 kilos of wheat. Farmer said to the merchant that during those days your father was suffering from hunger and his condition was not good. He was very poor. So he came to my father and requested him to give him 75 kilos of wheat. The merchant was very angry after listening all this, because he knew that his father never starved, but he couldn't cast any doubt on the story. He knew that if he cast doubt, he would have to pay. So he tried to hold his tongue. Then the farmer continued that my father was a kind and good neighbor. So when he saw your father starving, he gave him 75 kilos of wheat, and even your father owes it to this day. Sometime I want to go to law about it. What farmer said? कि मेरे पिता बहुत दयालु थे और बहुत अच्छे पड़ोसी थे, और जब उन्होंने देखा कि तुम्हारे पिता भूख से सफ़र कर रहे हैं, मीन्स सफरिंग फ्रॉम हंगर, सो उन्होंने 75 किलोज वीट दे दिया तुम्हारे पिता को. मर्चेंट से फार्मर ने बोला. तो the farmer said, even to this day your father owes 75 kilos of wheat, means कि अभी तक आज तक की डेट पे तुम्हारे पिता जो हैं 75 किलोज वीट के कर्जदार हैं और मैं सोचता हूँ कि मैं इस बात को लेकर कानून की सहायता लूँ। The merchant began running his thumb up and down his fingers. He was calculating. What merchant is doing? He is running his fingers up and down and started counting and calculating the amount. Then the farmer asked, "Why are you running your thumb up and down your fingers? Are you calculating something?" Farmer ने पूछा merchant से कि तुम अपनी फिंगर्स को ऊपर नीचे क्या कर रहे हो, क्या तुम कुछ चीज़ की कैलकुलेशंस कर रहे हो? येस आई एम, मर्चेंट रिप्लाइड, येस आई एम, हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ। देन ही सेड टू हिमसेल्फ, फिर वो अपने आप से बातें करता हुआ बोलता है, द वीट कॉस्ट लेस देन 100 रुपीज़, सो आई शैल पे हिम द प्राइस ऑफ द वीट। वो मनी मन सोचता है कि मुझे वीट की कीमत 100 रुपये से कम पड़ेगी, सो मुझे वीट का प्राइस दे देना चाहिए और इस तरीके से वो 25 रुपीज़ सेव कर लेगा। ही टर्न टू द फार्मर एंड गिविंग हिम 75 रुपीज़ एंड सेड, हियर इज़ द मनी फॉर द वीट। और उसने 75 रुपीज़ फार्मर को दिया और बोला कि ये पैसे हैं आपके जो वीट के आपके पिता ने मेरे पिता को दिए थे। थैंक यू सेड द फार्मर, फार्मर ने धन्यवाद दिया मर्चेंट को। यू आर वेरी फेयर एंड ऑनेस्ट, तुम बहुत ईमानदार हो। एंड आई लाइक्ड द बार्गेन, और मुझे ये डील पसंद आई। देन द स्टोरी इज़ फिनिश्ड रवि, एंड नाउ डेविड इज़ नॉट द वीट इज़ चीपर। रवि आस्क्ड टू द डेविड, इज़न्ट द वीट इज़ चीपर? Then David replied, yes, I don't want to cast a doubt on your story. I agree that the wheat is cheaper. So hence you know how the story named after the wheat. The wheat is cheaper. I hope you will get this story. Thank you.